I am here to announce the election schedule for Jila Panchayat. You are aware that elections were to be held in the month of March, but because of COVID, these were postponed. Even though all the activities before the actual conduct of poll had taken place, only the polling date was pending when these were postponed. So we have fixed that poll date to be 12th of December 2020, Saturday. The poll will be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The counting will be held on 14th December 2020, Monday, from 8 a.m. till counting is complete. As you are aware, with the announcement of election schedule, the model code of conduct comes into force immediately, and it will be in force up to midnight of 14th of December 2020, the date of counting. This is the election schedule. We are going for election to 48 seats. There are total 50 seats, 25 are North Goa and 25 are South Goa. In South Goa, 24 Sankol seat, the member was elected unopposed and the notification has been issued for that. In 16 Naveling, it was countermanded because of the death of one contesting candidate. So polling will be held only in 23 constituencies as far as District South is concerned. This is the schedule. And everything has been done. Everything has been done. Nomination, withdrawal, even contesting candidates. It was, as you are aware, it was postponed on 20th of March. The poll was scheduled to be on 22nd of March. Only one day was in between, 21st.
So they are given extra time or something or nothing? Just a polling day?
Just a polling day. It will be polling day now. That day also only polling day was pending.
But can they campaign now or something like that?
No public campaigning will be permitted because campaigning time had already over when the election was postponed.
What about those political parties having meeting these days?
Then after this, from today onwards,
They cannot have.
there cannot be public campaigning now.
So they can
All our flying squads and others, they will be in field immediately.
they can have a campaign on TV or print media, something like that. Through advertisement, they can do campaigning.
You see, public campaigning is not allowed, as I have said. It covers everything. It covers everything.
Even TV, they cannot allow.
Obviously, that is public campaigning only.
Where is the counting?
Moreover, they have to, for everything they have to apply to the returning officer. Once campaigning is over, then they are not going to give any permission.
Where the counting will take place? Counting will take place.
At different places, there are counting centers. Counting will take place. I think there are 20, 15.
So counting centers.
So where it will be?
15 counting centers.
Counting will be on ballot paper or counting will be on ballot paper.
It is ballot paper.
Voting.
Voting will be on ballot paper.
Can you tell the centers of counting?
That we will provide you. Afterward, because 15 is the list, we will provide you.
Could you tell us like what are the arrangements that you have made when you talk about social distancing and everything?
That we will to see the whatsoever are the as far as COVID is concerned, all the parameters, all the SOPs which have been issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, we are going to adopt that. That you are all aware. Some of you are not having this mask. You should have put it. So in polling day, people will be coming in the mask. They will maintain a distance of 6 feet. Then there will be sanitizers and proper washing of the hands. All those things will be taken care of by the returning officer.
If anybody comes without
Details.
mask, no voting.
Once, if you come without mask before reaching to polling station, you will be fined 200 rupees. You are not allowed to come out of your house without mask.
But how you will verify during time of voting?
What?
Must you have to remove
No, we
mask?
will not allow people without mask. No?
No,
They have to
During
come with
time of
mask.
voting, how you will verify?
How you to verify the faces?
Face.
Identify के लिए that arrangement we will make. थोड़ी देर के लिए जैसे आप मुझे आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए.
And what about the COVID persons, so how to vote? If the COVID.
Polling officer
No,
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 positive
if
patient.
positive
Somebody is positive.
positive,
Yeah.
we will allow them voting, but it will be in the last hour of the polling.
So those who are home isolation, opted for home isolation, the COVID positive, they are going to allow for the voting during the last.
Last hour of the
But
polling.
how you will take the
That precaution we will discuss and follow. Whatsoever Election Commission of India has already conducted the election in Bihar. Those instructions we are going to follow.
Those who are polling booth agents or everybody, they have to wear a PPE kit that time.
That we will see, because you see, let me tell you, as far as now, as far as position of COVID is concerned, now Goa is quite comfortable. As on yesterday, there were around 1300 plus positive cases. So we have around 1200 polling stations. So one person per polling station comes average. So that more, it's quite possible that people are in hospitals also. There are in municipal areas also. Even less than that, people will be in the village area. So it is not going to be any challenge for us to take care of 1% or 2% per polling station. That we will see. All the precautions will be taken so that they don't transmit COVID to any other person.
So time limit will be okay for this because you are going to take some time.
No, it will be okay because number of polling stations is almost 1200 and the total vote is less than 8 lakhs. So average it comes to be around 800 something per polling station. So it is not going to give any you can say challenge to us as far as polling is.
Is
Time
there
is
any
some-
difference between the polling station during the last election when they were proposed and now? Have you
You
increased
see,
anything?
generally the polling stations are the same which were in the last time,
Yeah.
but there could be some changes which
But
I
you
am
have
not
not
having
increased
as of
anything
today.
right now. You have not increased any polling station.
No increase in police.
The polling stations we increase if number of voters increase.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this time there is a COVID, no? So you have to.
So the number of voters per polling station has been reduced already. It means they might have taken this care of this number of voters. In Bihar it was 1000 per vote polling station. Here it is coming out less than 800.
Sir, what
How
about
we
the
have taken care
sanitization?
that no untoward incidents take place?
No, what?
Even illegalities. Okay, how we have taken care that no illegalities or untoward incidents takes place? Because there has been a huge gap, and suddenly since you have announced today, we
No. What type of
How to
illegality
know
you
that,
feel? All arrangements are in place. All the officers are in place. I have discussed with police authorities and civil authorities, both the collectors. They are confident. Everything is in place.
क्योंकि suddenly अभी दारू वारू बहुत
Then it is not sudden. It is not. People are expecting. You see, election has to be conducted in this year itself.
Sir, suddenly last few days back the minister himself said 12th January.
No. It is. You see, now it is 12th of December.
So what about
आपके
the
वो
safety
minister ने
measures?
confusion किया
Safety measures about after voting a person, what sanitization?
Voting, no sanitation, nothing. You go and vote.
What about that ink being
In Delhi,
used?
In Delhi, will be put. That will be put.
Sir, model code of conduct for entire state or this thing for the municipal?
You see, elections are for Jilla Panchayat. So generally, model conduct is for those areas where election is taking place.
Not for the municipal.
Obviously, it is for Jilla Panchayat. It should be for Jilla Panchayat. Unopposed seat. That is Sankulam 20. I think that is this 24.
Any sensitive polling booths are noted, sir? Any sensitive booth?
Any?
sensitive.
sensitive booths are rotated.
Additional police.
There are 10 sensitive booths where proper police arrangement will be made.
Additional police force or something like that?
Which area, sir?
That they will give you information, that the number of polling stations. Whatever you will require, they will provide.
So you said that one death was taken for them.
This election has been countermanded as per rules. So now fresh date will be given for that. We will take action as per the election conduct rules
So-
for that seat.
So new candidate can fight.
Naturally, people can nomination
It will be like a
will be
by-election,
invited for
no?
that.
Sort of a by-election.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Supporters will be allowed on the counting day. Supporters.
No.
No, vote is not counting day. It is a counting agent.
The postal ballot already.
Postal ballot already given to the people जो election duty के.
They already voted. Some of them already voted. But as per
So, postal
election
ballot
commission
is-
guideline, as per election commission guideline, due to COVID, they also allowed the person who is has a age more than 80 years. They should allow the postal ballot.
No. That thing you have to make the rules for that. The rules are not made for that. These are the proposals. As far as our Jila Panchayat is concerned, there is no such rule to allow those people. That could be for future election.
So don't you think so that the state election commission should have given additional time for the candidates, at least to get themselves prepared?
Because-
why I'm saying is because in the last few days of last few months, there have been discussion on these dates. It could have been December, January, or earlier before that, and the candidates themselves were in some guess, like they were unaware when it could happen, and suddenly now today is 5th, 6 days.
Already a week is there. If today is 5th, 12th is the election day. 1 week is there.
So there was a petition filed in the High Court.
That we will reply. We will reply to the court. We will reply. You see, we are in an extraordinary situation.
Correct.
This is not a normal situation. When the rules were made, no one thought of this pandemic is going to happen, and so super spreader disease is going to come. So you have to act as per circumstances. That we will discuss someday. Today is only to announce the schedule. I think if no other questions, I would request you.
We can say that the last 1 hour will be allowed to those who are home
Not a home isolate. I am saying
Those
COVID positive case,
their home
voters will be allowed to vote in the last hour of the polling, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
सर तो पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में है कोरोना
I can't say anything. It is his prerogative. We are saying that COVID positive patients, that the Directorate of Health Services, they have to see whether he is fit to go there, whether he should be allowed to go, because his health is more important. Okay?
Yeah.
That is a personal decision of the person.
Sir, can I get the
Name of the officer, our secretary to the commission, Mr. Melvin was. Officers on special duty, Mr. Durga Prasad ji, Director Planning, Ashutosh Apte ji, Additional IG Prisons, Mr. Brajesh Manekar, he is State Registrar and Head of Notaries. And our Mr. Sagar, he is the Assistant Director for IT. The whole IT management of the commission is taken care of by him.
Do you have